Well, hello. It's Beth Boyle, Iowa Trail Rider, and I am riding a horse, leading another horse, and trying to keep my little grandson back here happy. So, a little less video from this trip to Yellow River in the extreme northeast Iowa than usual, because I have had my hands full just a bit. I'm riding Robin, my 13-year-old homegrown gelding, and my grandson is riding Kasper, who's lived at my house since he was almost 3 months old. So yeah, love Yellow River. It's a great place to come. They have some big hills like this one and some flat stuff and lots of water crossings here, my kind of riding. And welcome to Henry's first big trail ride. He's 8 years old, just had his birthday, and he and Kasper getting along awesome. So thanks for watching, everybody. Always appreciate it when you watch all the way to the end and give the video a thumbs up. And enjoy the video from Beth Boyle, Iowa Trail Rider. Kasper's been working hard, bringing Henry along safe and sound. Henry is learning to steer and to stop. And Kasper's a good one to learn on. I think we'll let him blow a little bit, kiddo. We want to stop him? Better stop him. There you go. There you go. Well, yeah. So what do you think about riding? Good. Yeah, I think you had more fun yesterday. We went out with the group yesterday, but the group got kind of big today. And I didn't want to ride with 7 or 8 people. You never know what you might get. So we're taking it easy and being a little bit careful. So did you bring some snacks today, Henry?
Yes, I did.
What did you bring?
I brought one granola bar, one bag of trail mix, and one bag of pumpkin seeds.
Oh, yeah. All right. Well.
I ate my whole granola bar both.
Yeah. Well, both these guys are panting pretty good. It's early in the season here in Iowa. The weather's not been very nice, so they're not in the best shape, and that was a long hill. So we're just going to give them a bit of a rest. So let Henry lead a little bit here. He's doing a great job. Oh, trusty Kasper's taking good care of him. We are getting into a few mosquitoes. Here at Yellow River, there's plenty of water, which generally means plenty of mosquitoes. And Henry's enjoying his snacks. So how's it going so far, Henry?
Good.
Yeah?
We went to that river right there, and then we let the horses take a few. I think this is the river we were fishing on a few miles first.
Do you remember the name of that river?
Yellow River?
Right. And what did we name the pond up here where we went fishing?
Yellow Pond?
Yeah, we named it Yellow Pond.
Because the moss is yellow.
Yeah, there's lots of moss, isn't there?
Except in the middle, that's the best spot to fish.
Remember what kind of big blue bird we saw in there? Starts with an H. It's a heron. We saw a blue heron. Saw a couple of them. Well, we saw one first time we went by when we were riding. And then last night when we walked out to the dock, one flew away. Yep, they're a big bird. They're a big bird, that's for sure. Hi, Henry. Who are you riding today? Yeah, how's it going?
Good.
Yeah. What kind of animals have we seen?
We saw a bunny, not a bird, and there's that deer over there.
What was that bluebird we saw? That great big bluebird standing in the pond. It was a heron, wasn't it? Yep. Henry's going fishing. We're at the Yellow River. He's 8 years old. He's learning how to use a new kind of reel. He's doing awesome. What'd you find?
Snail.
Yeah?
He's in the water.
Yeah?
Come here, big boy. This is a
Henry.
Can we get some line?
What kind of line?
Like fishing line?
What for?
I'm gonna go fishing.
Ah. Even the little dog likes the river. Yeah.
I found the seashell.
Did you? How do you suppose it got here? Well, it's pretty steep. You're a determined little fella, aren't you?
Is this a lot?
Nope.
I'm like making stairs.
Hey, don't dig in it, kiddo. I think it's gonna be too steep.
I'm going. You want that person? Yeah, we can go fishing.
Tipped at first, you don't succeed. Try again. Pretty steep. I guess when you're 8 years old, everything looks doable. It's my little adventure. And the little dog found something to play with. Just having a big time. Yep. All right. Gonna have his leash all wrapped up in that thing here pretty soon. Did you get it, Gus? Are you getting it? Huh? Did you get that big stick? Did you get it? Anything in there? Yeah? Look at that little flower that's there by your hip, that one that's red and yellow. Toward me. Toward me. Down. Down. You know what that's called? It's called columbine. It's a columbine.
So does that mean there's columns nearby?
Nope, that's just what the flower's called.
Found a spider.
Did ya?
Daddy long legs.
Oh, cool. He bought himself a fishing pole. He's trying to string it through the eyes and realizing that that real lightweight fish line is hard to see. But he's gonna try again. He's determined to get it all strung through there himself. At the Peak Creek access on White Pine Road, kind of north of Little River State Park.
Grandma, I'm ready.
Okay.
Oh, that was good.
I better tie a hook on for this dude. Catching anything?
No, not yet. I don't even call it.
What are you fishing with?
The fishing rod I like using almost every day.
And a worm, right?
Yep.
And a bobber?
And a bobber.
beautiful place. Gotta love a trout stream.